So today we're at a food court. It happens to be really hot outside today, so we have air conditioning. Each of these different booths presents a typical Thai food, and I wouldn't say they're all the best Thai food you'll ever find in Thailand, but most of this is more authentic than anything you'll see in California or wherever you're from. Let's pick out one of these and see which one to try out. The first one here happens to be making papaya salad or som tam, and lots of other variations. On the left side we have som tam with mango and papaya salad Lao style, which is a little spicier, a little funkier, I don't think, and sometimes they put a little freshwater crab in there with it. It's not to my taste. So we're gonna order basic som tam. We come in over here, we see a little choices here too. You can get with seafood. This is a squid, salted crab, not my style. It's a fruit salad. That's kind of nice too. And I'm just gonna go for this one, if there's anybody here right now. Okay, this is fried pork skin. And there's some noodles that's going to be used for, that is guaijiao. Karamjin, very delicate. Green, shredded green papaya is ready to go. And all the other possible ingredients. So it's very good. Som tam Thai, mai sai pu. ทำไหมครับไม่เผ็ดครับ Here's where the action's happening. Basically, I asked for som tam Thai style as opposed to Lao style. And I said, don't put any crabs in there. And then she said, you want to have some spice? And I said, not too spicy. This cook, if you see a food booth here that has a cook, then they're usually prepared to make som tam. Som tam, tam means to pound. Okay? And there's the music here. Okay. She's getting her ingredients ready. I'm making sure her hand's clean. A little cabbage on the side there.
Do you have Thai?
Again? Back up. Peanuts. Okay. Paprika. I'm gonna give it a little. Beautiful. Paprika. Thank you. Yeah, in the food court, most food courts in Thailand use these little cards, so they're not actually handling the money. And the other popular Thai dish that you find yourself ordinarily ordering in California, expect to try it over here. This is different too. Let's get some pad Thai. Sawasdee krap.
ครับสวัสดีครับ
เอาผัดไทยใส่กุ้งได้ไหมครับ
ครับผมครับ
ผัดไทยใส่กุ้ง
ใส่ถุงโอ้ใส่กุ้ง
Number one
ครับ
ครับ
รอแป๊บนึงครับ
กุ้งสด fresh fresh shrimp. What's that one? Omelets. He was making oysters omelet for a minute ago. Seems to be very popular. There's some chopped up tofu in there, some noodles, green onions. Tasty. That's probably just water, isn't it? Iniเป็นน้ำนี่
เป็นน้ำครับ
Okay, just water.
ใส่น้ำมะขาม
Some sprouts on the side, and as always, some peanuts on the side. Tin cup. I think it's very interesting they made.
10 บาทครับไม่มีแค่10 บาท
I just put. Oh, me. Kotoka. I want to give you this one instead. Yeah, it's always interesting that they put the.
ข้าว15 บาทนะครับขอบคุณครับ
Okay, up. It's always interesting that they put the peanuts on the side because so many people have peanut allergies instead of just throwing it in the middle. So to say. Also, more importantly, I want to show you that this is not seasoned yet. The condiments here, you're expected to add yourself. And if you don't do that, it's really kind of bland. This is just a little drizzle of chili, and without sugar, that chili may be too spicy. So put a little sugar on top. And then I'll add the fermented fish sauce, just a little bit, fish sauce. And I think I'm okay. Let me add a little bit of this on the side too. A little veg on the side. That's my thing. I'll go back, we'll check it out. So most Thai food is eaten with a spoon and fork. And here at the food courts, they often have scaldingly hot water to, it's not going to sterilize the food, but it certainly helps. Yeah, also some sterilizer in a napkin, stuff like that. Okay, let's eat. So I've got a little Thai feast in front of me here. I might add, somtam is often served with gayang or grilled chicken and sticky rice. We're just having it by itself along with the pad thai. I've got a little story to tell about pad thai. One of the first days I was in Thailand, I ordered pad thai and I didn't add any of the the condiments, and it was bland. And I was really disappointed by it until I learned this little lesson we have today. So let's see. Let me check this out here. So I asked her not to make it spicy, and sometimes you still get it spicy, but let's see. No problem. I can handle a little spice, but not too much. So we have some long beans. Yeah, definitely the fish sauce is in there. Definitely taste that. Some slices of tomato. Actually, I should point out, in Thailand, what we'll do, we'll load up a spoon using a fork. I'm not sure if that's appropriate for some kind, but for other dishes, that's how it's done. Nice, very crunchy. Not too sour, just the balance. That is the thing about Thai food. It's always about the balance of the 5 tastes. There's the sour, the salty, umami, spicy, and sweet. Gotta have all 3. Let's move over to the pad thai while we have a chance here. Again, the peanuts are on the side. That's okay. I'm still working on that. This is kind of a... There's a trick to it. I still haven't mastered it yet. But to eat the shrimp without the shell. That's good. Fresh, very nice. And remember, I put these condiments on top. I want to mix that in a little bit. That's what we have here. Hot. You're gonna like this when you come to Thailand. Oh yeah, okay. That chili is starting to hit me now. So nice. And these you can just pick it up and eat like this. It's not a problem. I think my wife is looking at this. She wants to taste it too. So anyway, here's a little sample of what sort of food you'll actually eat in Thailand and how it's a little bit different from what you would see in a Thai restaurant in the West, the US. But it's not bad. It's actually much better than you expect. Finishing up my pad thai here. One thing I wanted to add and dispel some myths about this, it's told that the pad thai was invented in the 1930s by a certain king, and they decided it would be, the ingredients would come from different parts of Thailand, so it could bring the country together. The reality is any part of Thailand can make noodles, and any part of Thailand can make shrimp or tofu or something like that. It can come from any place, but it includes many ingredients from Thai cuisine. And it's not really ancient, but it's not the national dish of Thailand. We probably will have time later to explore that. But it's something that you when the government of Thailand developed a program to create Thai restaurants around the world, and this is a real thing in terms of soft power. This is why almost every street corner in the West has a Thai restaurant in it. It's so common now. This is a way to get Thai culture appreciated around the world. And one of the things you often see is pad Thai. It's comfortable, it's not too weird, and it's got a good combination of flavors. And for Thai cooks in other parts of the world, it's reasonably easy to get a hold of the ingredients. Some of the other delicacies that you find here in Thailand, not so much. And again, we hope to explore some of those things later. Anyway, just a little morsel of information for you. Happy feasting. Anyway, thanks for coming with me. We may go ahead and explore some more of these booths later on next week. Come back soon. Thank you and bye.